Hello everyone, I'm your host SmurfyDan, and welcome to another episode of the Station Master's Office. Let's climb aboard for some more news with Big World, Big Adventures. This is Justin, mates, free and easy. A family lifestyle blogger and mother to a newborn and toddler, Rachel Bustin, holds a special competition for Thomas fans on Twitter to win a signed movie poster from Peter Andre, voice of Ace in Thomas and Friends' Big World, Big Adventures, the movie. All you have to do is to follow her and retweet this to win by Tuesday, August 7th. You know what they say, mates, the world's your oyster. Thomas's latest movie adventure made a special London cinema premiere on Saturday, July 7th, 2018. Among celebrities and more than 400 fans, Veronica Chambers, Peter Andre, John Hustler, Ian McHugh, and Yvonne Grundy, the voice of Nia, all attended a special occasion. There was a special live video with the vlak and troller on the official Thomas UK Facebook page. Following the premiere, the film was well received from early screenings, with the press review from wales247.co.uk saying that no matter your age or experience, there will always be occasions when you need help. This is just one of the powerful messages in the film, and gave the film a rating of 4.5 stars. London Net also wrote a positive review, and I quote, "Thomas and Friends' Big World, Big Adventures the movie achieves its modest ambitions with colourful animation and occasional toots of humour. Pacing rarely shifts out of first gear. All aboard for 85 minutes of on-demanding entertainment, which couples education with simplistic, hummable songs about friendship and teamwork." Unquote. Throughout the month of August, the film will be shown in UK cinemas on select dates. Another continent that will see the theatrical release on August 16th, 2018 will be Hong Kong. As featured in the movie as one of the 5 continents, Big World, Big Adventures the movie will be screened at Ster-Kinekert movie theaters in Africa from October 5th. In addition, there will be a local version of the latest theme song performed by Bobby van Charsveld, who also contributed to the movie's South African-speaking version. According to the news article from IOL, the theme song is described to share the message that we should be open to exploration, to traversing a globe, seeking out adventures, engaging with new and different people, and making new friends along the way. Bobby reflected on his musical experience with a reasonable comment. "This film resonates with me partly because my own friends are such a big part of my life. I feel much the same way as Thomas does about friendship. For me, the true meaning of friendship is acceptance." As husband and father of 3 young children, Bobby added, "For as long as I can remember, I've grown up with Thomas. Now, as a dad of 3 children, a 2-year-old daughter, and 2 sons, aged 5 and 6, I'm going to be the hero of the house just for taking them to see the movie. Once they realize I'm singing in it, we'll be watching it the entire year." Bobby will attend the movie's South African premiere, where his cover of the theme song will later be released and downloaded for free from his official website. That's not all there, folks. Big World, Big Adventures the movie will be released on DVD in select countries at the moment, including Australia and South Africa. In addition, toy products from Fisher-Price are available to support the latest Thomas movie tempo. To commemorate the UK theatrical release of the movie, Giraffe World Kitchen offered exclusive activity packs and puzzles in restaurants. The biggest prize draw is a chance to be the voice of Thomas at the recording studio for a child. The competition will also come with an overnight stay in London, Giraffe's family meal, and £100 spending money. For more information about their competition, including terms and conditions, visit www.giraffe.net/Thomas. According to the Which Character Are You video on Facebook, 2 other characters were confirmed to appear in the movie, Bo and Kweku. In addition, a profile picture of Nia can now be found on the official Thomas and Friends website. See Nia, Bo, and Kweku in action in Thomas and Friends' Big World, Big Adventures the movie. Music videos including Free and Easy performed by Peter Andre were released on the official Thomas UK YouTube channel with potential spoilers. Keep that in mind that the songs will not play outside the UK, especially on YouTube. But don't you worry, my American friends, There will be an American version of the soundtrack that is expected to be released on digital platforms from August 30th. Random House released covers for 2 new Thomas books to tie in with the Big World Big Adventures tentpole. These will be published to major book retailers from August 21st. Thomas and Ace Race Across the World will follow suit from October 1st. Other Thomas books are on sale now from all book retailers, including Character Encyclopedia, a series of really useful stories, and Full Steam Ahead. Mark your calendars, folks! The 22nd series of Thomas is set to premiere on Channel 5's Milkshake in the UK from Monday, September 3rd, 2018. 2 days before the official premiere date, Milkshake will host the exclusive BAFTA preview of 4 episodes from the all-new Thomas series, followed by a Q&A session with the Fat Controller at the Princess Anne Theatre in London. Public tickets are available at BAFTA, but be quick as the event will be sold out. 3 sneak peek clips from all new episodes of Thomas and Friends can also be found at the Italian website of Cartoonito, with potential spoiler alert. Each clip takes place in 3 respective continents: China, India, and the island of Sodor, home to the Northwestern Railway engines. Amazon UK revealed the cover of the upcoming DVD titled Here Comes the Steam Team and a free Thomas mini toy. Episode titles have still yet to be detailed. Here Comes the Steam Team will be available to all UK retailers from Monday, September 24th, 2018. Now this is the hottest DVD in town. Following a theatrical screening in April, Sony Creative Products is set to release the Japanese dub of Thomas and Friends Journey Beyond Sodor on DVD from October 17th, 2018. This news is full of surprises, just like it'll always be. According to Nick Alive, Nick Jr. confirmed the network premiere of Thomas and Friends The Great Race in 3 parts from Monday, August 13th to Wednesday, August 15th, 2018. Following this, Nick Jr. will also air 2 half-hour block episodes from the 21st series on Thursday, August 16th and Friday, August 17th, respectively. And so the rest, as they say, is history. A short timeline video titled Thomas Through the Years was uploaded on the official Thomas Facebook page on July 9th, 2018, to showcase the historical events from the publication of the 3 railway engines to the new look of Thomas with Big World, Big Adventures. If you're a parent with a kid who loves Thomas, what is your favorite memory? Ready for outdoors or indoors, Bachman released a large-scale spiteful brake fan rolling stock for $99 to add to your cheese-scale Thomas collection. You can find the latest rolling stock in your local hobby store. From the look of his face, no wonder he can be a spiteful brake fan for nothing. All you want is a bit of redefining with 3 new Trackmaster turbo engines, including Thomas, Percy, and Diesel. These engines are separately available from local toy stores everywhere. Takara Tomy released a new set of Plow-Rail toys, including one of Rosie in her red livery and 2 trucks for Japanese consumers as well as fans from overseas. Also available are 3 new DK Die-Pet 1/64th scale models of Thomas, Percy, and James. These can be found in hobby stores like Hobby Link Japan, Plaza Japan, and Zipzang Hobby. Kennywood Park's Thomas Town had officially opened to the public on Friday, July 27th, 2018. There are 5 new rides, a live show at Timoth Sheds, a souvenir shop, and Big Adventures Playzone. It became the 2nd permanent Thomas theme park attraction in the United States. Following the grand opening, a featurette titled Thomas and Friends 4D, Bubbling Boilers, is currently being shown in Kennywood Park's 4D Theatre. Now before we can move on to the next news, there had been a confusion and delay. Not long after the grand opening last week, Kennywood Park's Thomas train had come off the rails twice and they have to close the Journey with Thomas ride until further notice, but luckily no one was hurt. Now is there anything familiar about this scenario? I wonder. Fuji-Q Highland celebrated 20 years of Thomas Land in Japan as 2 new rides officially opened on July 12th. These are called Thomas's Happy Smile and Hopping Winston. Sing and dance to the musical stage show with Thomas, Percy and Sir Topham Hatt at a local Japanese theatre near you from August 9th to September 30th, 2018. For more information and tickets, go to www.tomas-musical.com. Thomas the Tank Engine Special Summer Gallery has opened at the Hara Model Railway Museum in Japan from July 11th to August 29th, 2018. See the original TV models of Thomas and Friends in a special layout exhibition on display. Join the Natural Autistic Society on their 5th annual All Aboard for Autism event outside Drayton Manor Theme Park in Tamworth, Staffordshire on Saturday, September 29th, 2018. Many activities for everyone with autism, including to meet and greet with the vlak and trailer, face painting, hook a duck, sensory toys, and a Thomas treasure hunt complete on a 3-kilometer sponsored walk. Anything you can raise to help the NES will be appreciated, and you will receive a free ticket to Drayton Manor in return for more Thomasland fun. And that is all for another episode of the Station Master's Office. Be sure to get in touch with me on whatever social media you use and subscribe to this channel for more episodes and future videos. Thank you for watching, and until then, this is SmurfyDan signing off.